What if Jimmy Fallon had realized Nicole Kidman's interest? Imagine having a crush on someone famous. You finally get a chance to hang out years later. They reveal they had a crush on you at the same time. Sounds like a rom-com, right? But this is real life, starring Jimmy Fallon and Nicole Kidman. Get ready to cringe and laugh as we revisit this unforgettable late-night television moment. Back in the early 2000s, Jimmy Fallon was making a name for himself on the iconic sketch comedy show Saturday Night Live. His goofy charm and infectious laugh were winning over audiences, making him one of the standout performers of his generation. Week after week, Fallon brought a unique energy to the show. Whether he was impersonating celebrities or breaking character in the middle of a skit, his antics were a breath of fresh air. His rise to fame was meteoric, and it wasn't long before he became a household name. Meanwhile, Nicole Kidman was already a Hollywood heavyweight. With an Oscar under her belt and a string of blockbuster hits, she was practically royalty in the entertainment world. Her performances were critically acclaimed, and she had a reputation for choosing diverse and challenging roles. From intense dramas to romantic comedies, Kidman had done it all. Her role in Moulin Rouge had earned her an Academy Award nomination, and her portrayal in The Hours would soon win her the coveted Oscar. She was at the peak of her career, and her presence commanded respect and admiration. Their paths crossed in 2002 when Kidman was promoting her film The Hours. She appeared on Late Night with Conan O'Brien, where Fallon was a guest. Little did they know, this meeting would become the stuff of legend. The encounter was awkward yet endearing, as Fallon later revealed that he had no idea Kidman was interested in him romantically at the time. This revelation came years later during an interview on The Tonight Show, where Kidman playfully recounted the story, much to the amusement of the audience. It was a moment that showcased the unpredictable and often humorous nature of showbiz, where even the biggest stars can have their own share of missed connections and what-ifs. Fast forward to 2015. The world of late-night television has seen many changes, but one thing remains constant: the charm and wit of Jimmy Fallon. Jimmy Fallon is now the king of late night, hosting The Tonight Show. With his signature blend of humor, music, and celebrity interviews, his ability to connect with guests and audiences alike has made him a household name. Nicole Kidman, even more iconic, is a guest on his show. Known for her versatility and grace, Kidman has captivated audiences for decades with her performances in film and television. The stage seems set for a typical celebrity interview, but then, the unexpected happens. As the conversation unfolds, it takes a surprising turn that no one, especially Fallon, saw coming. Kidman recounts the story of their first encounter, revealing that she had a bit of a crush on Fallon and thought he might have been interested too. She describes how she went to his apartment, expecting a romantic spark, only to find Fallon seemingly oblivious to her intentions. The expression on Fallon's face? Priceless. He's completely dumbfounded. He had no idea that Kidman had felt that way, and his reaction is a mix of shock, disbelief, and amusement. It's clear he had no idea. The audience erupts in laughter, and the moment becomes one of the most memorable in late-night television history. This unexpected revelation not only showcases the genuine nature of their interaction, but also highlights the unpredictable magic of live television. The interview took a sharp turn into awkward territory, with Fallon stammering in disbelief. It was one of those moments where you could almost feel the tension in the air, as if everyone in the room collectively held their breath. Fallon, usually so composed and quick-witted, seemed to be at a complete loss for words. His eyes darted around, searching for an escape from the unexpected twist the conversation had taken. Kidman, trying to lighten the mood, playfully recounted the details. She laughed, her eyes sparkling with mischief as she began to tell the story. "You know, Jimmy," she said, "I thought you were going to ask me out that day." Her tone was light, but there was a hint of genuine curiosity in her voice, as if she was still trying to figure out what had gone wrong. "I went along thinking, he's gonna ask me out. He's gonna ask me out," she teased, as Fallon buried his face in his hands. The audience could see the genuine embarrassment on his face, a rare sight for the usually confident host. Kidman continued, her voice filled with playful teasing. "And you didn't. You just sat there talking about random things, and I was like, is this really happening?" "And you didn't," she added, prompting nervous laughter from the audience. The room was filled with a mix of amusement and secondhand embarrassment, as everyone tried to process the unexpected revelation. Fallon, still trying to recover, managed a weak smile, but it was clear that he was struggling to find the right words to respond. Fallon, clearly flustered, could only manage a, "We were at a friend's house, and I don't know. You seemed very busy." His voice trailed off, as if he was hoping that the ground would open up and swallow him whole. The audience's laughter grew louder, and Kidman couldn't help but join in, her laughter ringing out like a bell. It was a moment of pure, unfiltered humanity, a reminder that even celebrities have their awkward moments. The internet exploded. The clip of their exchange went viral, with fans around the world weighing in on the missed connection of the century. Social media was flooded with comments like, "I can't believe he didn't realize," and "Poor Jimmy, this is both hilarious and mortifying." Some even playfully questioned how Fallon could have been so oblivious to the attention of someone like Nicole Kidman. The incident became instant late-night television history. It was the ultimate blend of celebrity, awkwardness, and humor. Fallon took it in stride, referencing the encounter in subsequent shows and interviews. The story cemented his reputation for being genuinely funny and relatable, even when faced with mortifying situations. For Kidman, it showcased her playful side and willingness to laugh at herself. The Fallon-Kidman encounter serves as a light-hearted reminder that sometimes, timing is everything. It also proves that even celebrities experience the same awkwardness and missed opportunities as the rest of us. This unforgettable moment will forever be etched in the annals of late-night television, a testament to the unpredictable and often hilarious nature of live entertainment.